Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this very simple typewriter effect in DaVinci Resolve without using anything like Fusion. So this effect, as I said, doesn't use Fusion, it's very simple to do. So what we're going to do is just go to our timeline and drag on the effect which is text plus. So normally you might be using text on its own, but you want to use text plus, which is just underneath it. So we're going to drag that on to our timeline. A custom title, so we can set it to whatever text we want. I just did typewriter. Then just choose whatever font you think is appropriate. I'm just going to pick Courier for this. There's probably better ones around, but I'm just going to just go with something like, oh, where's my Courier gone? There. So that's our text, and then we're going to go to the Layout tab here. I'm just going to set any backgrounds I want. So let's say I want it in, say, red. Or let's say blue. Now back on the text tab here, scroll down until you see where we have this write on effects. And if I drag this, the start one, see it disappears. If I start from this end, then I can actually reveal it by basically sliding the slider all the way to the right. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to do it with some simple keyframes. So at the start of our clip, just here, position the playhead, drag this guy all the way to it as minimum as it goes to 0.0, then click the little diamond next to it until it goes red. That creates a keyframe at that position. Drag the playhead towards the end of the clip, let's say about there, and now just create another keyframe by clicking the red diamond again and dragging it out until it's at its maximum position. And now you should have your typewriter effect. Let's say, for example, we wanted to make this a much slower effect. We can just drag out our clip, and we need to actually go to or edit our keyframes, which we can do by clicking the little arrow next to it until it takes us to the final keyframe. Click the red diamond to remove the actual keyframe. Now we're going to position it to the end where we want it, about there. Re-click the red dot and then drag our write on all the way to the point where it writes on the entire text. And now if we go to our beginning of our effect, it's going to be much slower as it actually increases the write on speed. And of course, if you wanted to do it any quicker, we could just bring our clip much to something like that. Maybe zoom in a bit to make it easier. Go to our end position here. Click the red dot to delete the keyframe, reposition the head right at the very end, click the red dot again, and then just drag our write on to the final position, and now we should have a much faster typewriting effect. And that's pretty much it, guys, so I hope that's useful, nice and easy, no Fusion involved, just using the standard tools built into DaVinci Resolve.